3, 2, 1. Okay, what's up mga bad boys? Tuguan pala kung sa channel ko.
A few moments
Mag-subscribe na kayo
later.
dyan. Pinutin notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bagong upload na videos. For more coming Sisme video, click to subscribe, like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to comment, like, description box below. For today's may vlog, CF Moto 750 SR S Model 2026 suspect. Engine displacement.
One
Engine
eternity
type
later.
749 cubic centimeter. Inline 4 cylinder. Double overhead cam. Maximum power 110 horsepower at 10,200 rpm. Maximum of torque 59 kilo PS at 9,000 rpm. Top speed 230 kilometers per hour or 143 miles per hour. Acceleration 0 by 100 kilometers per hour in 3.5 seconds. Curb weight 213 kilos or 470 kilos. Weight fuel tank capacity is 4.5 gallon. Approximately 17 liters. Front suspension 43mm KYB inverted fork, 20 level adjustable compression rebound and rear gas charge. Monoshock with external reservoir. Front brake dual 320mm floating disc with 4-piston Brembo radial caliper. Single 240mm rear disc with 2-piston Brembo caliper. Frame steel trellis frame and single-sided swing arm. Front tire size is 17-inch cast alloy. Rider modes: cornering ABS, cornering traction control or ATS, quick shift, slipper clutch, and rally mode. TFT display is 6.2-inch TFT display screen, Bluetooth connectivity, action camera, compatibility, design, integrated high road, dynamic front wings, high mounted quad exhaust. Itong motor ay nilabas ng CF Moto ay 2026 model. Isang inline 4 na super bike. Ang timbang niya ay 213 kilos. Ito yung pinaka tatay ng CF Moto 675. Itong sports touring sports at ano siya, naka quick shifter, may auto dip, may riding modes na may rain, road, dynamic, tapos dynamic pro. Yung ano niya, frame naman niya, steel trellis frame with single-sided swing arm. Siya, Alloy siya. At yung brake naman niya sa front brake is 320mm floating disc na 4 piston caliper Brembo. Tapos yung rear brake na 240mm rear disc with 2 piston caliper Brembo. At ang sukat niya sa harap ng gulong ay 120 by 14 by 17. Michelin Road 6. At yung rear tire niya ay 160 by 14 by 17. Tubeless. Parehas sila ng brand ng gulong. At yung nasa shock naman niya ay adjustable preload. Pati yung harap. At suspension niya ay naka 43mm KYB inverted fork. Yun yung sa harap. Yung sa rear naman niya, rear gas charge monoshock with external reserva. Ano siya, adjustable. Pwede mong adjust depende sa preference mo ng height. At 0 to 100 3.5 seconds. Ang ganyang kabilis. Ang torque naman niya 80 Nm torque at 9,000 RPM. Top speed niya ay 230 km/h or 143 miles per hour. Ganun siya kabilis. Ang kulay nitong metallic black, white, and red. Naka-display na din ito. Ang cash niya ay cash niya 566,900 ang presyo niya ngayong 2026 is down payment is 17,360 down payment. Ano pala yun, financing minimum. So yung down payment niya 148,423 down payment. Monthly is 14,717 down payment monthly. Ano siya, ito yung kalaban niya, C-X-10R na 2026 na may winglet, traction control, may auto blip, may quick shifter, inline 4 cylinder at double head cam shock. May winglet na rin siya katulad ng CX-10R. Ang kulay niya ngayon latest is matte gray metallic. kung lagi ka nang gagawin sa aking channel, don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Click the notification bell for more updates and for more upload this video. Please follow us my social media account like TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Sana may natutunan kayo sa aking vlog. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Ililink ko sa description lahat ng kailangan at wag, wag ka magayang mag-subscribe dito sa aking channel at click notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga bago kong i-upload na videos. And dito ko na natapusin ang aking vlog. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Click notification bell for more updates and for more upload this videos. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you for watching this my vlog. See you on the next vlog. Babush!